Hi, third grade thinkers. It's Mrs. Burbank here with tonight's homework help. Tonight I'm helping with 1-7, and we are working on 10's. This is a fact family that we have already worked with, and all students are really successful in memorizing and understanding their 10 multiplication and division facts. So this is just a way to quickly practice them in order to warm you up for the second page, which is just a fact sheet. You're going to multiply or divide to find the unknown number, and then just to help you out, the answers are on the bottom for you to check. Now, like I said in class, if you have a full page of word problems, I want you to just do half of them. So tonight there are 6, and so you're just going to choose 3. It's important for you to read the directions. You need to write an equation and solve the problem. Now, it's always a good idea to annotate so you see what digits are going to be in your equation. So here it says Wendy has 100 cents. She wants to buy some marbles that cost 10 cents each. How many marbles can she buy? So we start out with 100. And she wants to buy some marbles that cost 10 cents each. So she wants to divide that 100 cents into groups of 10. And so we need to find out what or how many marbles she can buy. I'm going to use a variable because we've been practicing as third graders using a variable in our equations to represent the unknown item that we're trying to find out. Now, sometimes it's nice that they match up in terms of the letter and what we are trying to find, but sometimes it doesn't. So here, if you know your multiplication and division fact family, you know that if I were to divide 100 into 10, you will get 10. Now, there's a few different ways that you might do it. You might do it with your fingers. You might draw a number bond. You don't have to, but you might, right? Where you would have 10 bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you'd split that 100 into 10 equal shares. But by now, I think all of our third graders can do that in their head. All right, so you will select your 3 word problems that you'll do, and then you'll come down and you'll complete the table. Now, this table is talking about the number of nickels someone has, and we know that nickels has a value. Nickels represent 5 cents. So as you're looking at the table, we know that in this first box, we have 1 nickel. And how much does that equal? Then we have 3. And this time it has the answer for us, 15 cents. We need to take the clues that are given to us and use that to help us find the unknowns in the table. So if you know your 5 facts, you'll know that 1 nickel is 5 cents and 3 groups of 5 is 15. And that should be enough help for you to be able to figure out the rest of the unknowns. Here we're doing a multiplication problem, 5 groups of 5. Here you know the total number of cents you have. So you would ask yourself, 45 divided by 5 equals the number of nickels you have. All right. And then on the back, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 word problems. So you're going to choose 2 to complete. And then you must do the stretch your thinking. That is a must do. I want to know how you know if a number can be divided by 10 evenly. How do you know? There is a pattern that happens with multiples of 10, and there are only special numbers that can divide into 10 evenly. All right, third grade thinkers, I hope that helps you for tonight. Please leave me a message if you have any questions, and I will see you tomorrow.